Let's try this one. In this example, let's go with the g of t, okay? So g, we didn't do quotient in a while, right? So let's do a quotient here. Let's say t minus 2 over 2t plus 1. That's not too bad, right? But let's make it more interesting. Take everything to the 9th power. And what we want to find, of course, is g prime of t. So what notation shall we use here? How about we'll use the decomposition g of u, g composition u, okay, because we have g as the outside function. We actually can use g in f, right? We can say that g of t, let's do g of f. It would be g of f of t, or g composition f of t, like so. All right, so obviously a choice of composition will be, let's say that g of f, it would be simply f raised to the power of the 9th power. So that will make it easy. So g prime of f will be 9f to the 8. So what is f? Well, f of t is t minus 2 divided by 2t plus 1. Now we have a problem in finding the derivative because we have a quotient. So before we jump on to the derivative of f, we need to come up with the quotient rule. So we're going to say that this will be u over v, like so. All right? So f prime will be u prime v minus uv prime divided by v squared. Okay, so what is u? U is t minus 2, and therefore u prime is 1, v is 2t plus 1, and therefore v prime will be simply 2. So it's not too bad. So f prime equals u prime 1 times v 2t plus 1 minus u, which is t minus 2 times v prime, which is 2. And all of it is divided by 2t plus 1 squared. Okay, so let's clean house. And we end up having 2t plus 1 minus 2t, and then you have 2 times negative 2 and negative in front, so it will be plus 4. And at the end, we end up 2t minus 2t and 1 plus 4. We end up having 5 divided by 2t plus 1 squared. Okay, so we have f prime of t. We have g prime of f. So we need to multiply each other. We get a g prime of t. If this is the composition, then g prime of t will be g prime of f times f prime of t. And we have both. G prime of f is 9f to the 8th power, and f prime of t will be 5 divided by 2t plus 1 squared. And now we need to simplify some stuff here. So we have 9 times 5. Well, that's easy. That's 45. Bless you. And then we have f to the 8th. Well, go back to f. F is t minus 2 divided by 2t plus 1. So we have t minus 2 divided by 2t plus 1, all of it raised to the 8th power. And then what's left of f prime, well, we already used the 5 to multiply the 9, and we have what's left is 1 over 2t plus 1 squared. One more step before we finish. We're going to break down the quotient, and we're going to write it as 45 on top, and then t minus 2 to the power of, to the 8th power, divided by what we have at the bottom. We have 2t plus 1 to the 8th power, but also we have 2t plus 1 squared from here, and multiply the denominator to get the final answer. 45 times t minus 2 to the 8th divided by 2t plus 1 to the 10th. 8 times 2. And this is the answer.